Okay, so first I want to, you know, I have to warn you that I'm not going to do a typical artist demo style bootcamp. Okay, and I hate it. I dislike it like tremendously because it always frustrates me. I said in my previous video I come from coding background, so I also learn from scratch. And what frustrates me most when I like learning arts, my personal experience, the typical artist demo style. Well, you've probably seen it before. You go to YouTube and you see all of the amazing artists. They try to teach you something, and they are going a typical artist demo style. So here how it goes. They always say, well, they are doing pretty casually, even sometimes funny, and witty and all that. They will say, hey, I'll scratch it like this, and with a few seconds with like a perfect proportion outline. Okay, and then they'll move on. They will like speed things up and add a shading. I will like this, and they will do like this, and they will do like this. Suddenly, masterpiece. I'm not saying that they are doing it wrong or I question all this artist skill. They're amazing. They're great artists. But great artist does not necessarily mean they're a great teacher. And that's the reason I think I still, this bootcamp is still valuable. That's because I was a beginner, just like you. And I'm from a completely not relevant to your art background. And I like just like you, I study a lot of different sources and I waste a lot of time and I get really frustrated. So I can share my experience and my way that works from beginner's point of view and give you like the achievable, followable approach. Um, so the thing I hate about all these like amazing artists is that there's no detailed explanation that what kind of technique that they're using, not like step by step guide you through the breakdown of all the technique, right? And they are like doing like a perfect straight lines, perfect circles, and all that, and all this perspectives is great. The gestures is more smooth and all that. There's no actual guidance to guide you from A to B and C and D, right? You're just left sitting here and you just watch all this simulator tutorial and you sometimes, yeah, this is me, sometimes I would ask myself, wait, what, how did they even do that? They just say like this and like this and this. Okay, so yeah, this approach really drives me mad. You know, and at hindsight, they are great, but they are not actually teach you something. They're just to inspire you to do and learn more art. So there was like not a roadmap for you to actually to follow. So you can't replicate their result, like exactly replicate that. But as a coder myself, I need some approach that can be replicated. That needs some certain steps that I can follow, certain process I can follow, and that will work. Okay? I want that approach. Like just like code. When you run this, I type all this, I run this, it should work. So that's the reason why in this bootcamp we're doing things differently. Okay, we're doing things from a coder's point of view. I'm going to break all this art into clear and actionable steps. Instead of like saying like this, I will explain how to do this. How to train yourself to do this, and I will give you some of the exercises that I did, and it actually worked. And yeah, so we will like break down the code sort of approach, break that to different module, and I'm going to explain all this module later and what you should expect in each of the module, and I'm constantly adding module. So there will be bite-sized module, and you can follow and you can learn. So maybe just the 10 minutes per day, you learn this module, and you can say, hey, I know how to like draw line without all this line, but rather really smooth line like some mangaka, okay? And I'm going to give you some practice so you can actually achieve that. And also, another module, I'm going to share with you how to do that with the computational assistance, right? So adjust this setting here, 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 and then you can adjust the smoothness, or you can adjust the auto correction. Or, in another module, you use, say, Procreate, you can adjust some of the settings using some of the gestures, and you can achieve like a perfect circle, or you can, stylize a little bit. I'm going to break it down to module so you can follow. I'm not doing like a great demonstration of how I did it, but rather I want you and me to do it together. And I'm going to share this like actionable steps that you can do this step, another step, and hopefully you can get exactly, but not exactly. Come on, just vary it a little bit. You know how to do that, and then you can add a little bit your thought while you're creating it. That's the amazing part. You can be a bad student, okay? Do not follow exactly what I did and experiment a little bit. So, for example, I say the setting I'm using is like, make this stretch to 30%. You can vary a little bit. You can like you adjust that to 50%, and you can say, whoa, that's I love this feeling, okay? I love this feeling, so I'm gonna set it to 50%. But 30%, right? I got it. You like 30%, but I like 50% style. But we can achieve same or different results depending on you. So you will be the judge of the final steps of. I will just show you my way of doing it. I want this to be repeatable. I want it to be actionable, so you can actually know how to get from A to B. But also you can go to A and C and then B. Doesn't really matter. It really depends on you. But that's the plan of this bootcamp. So basically, my goal is to take that sort of a mystery out from the art creation. So by the end of the bootcamp, you will have a structured approach that you can help you to create, and of course you can come back to different module to review that later. But not just copy, okay? I'm not saying that you should copy everything I do, okay? Not just copy. And and I won't do some vague demo, okay? So it'll be like a copyable, biteable, like actionable module. Okay, let's create this together.